Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found an alarm clock that not only wakes me up in pleasant ways, but also helps me get to sleep. Ooh la la, right? So I want to tell you my favorite thing about this light is the pleasant feeling that it gives me. I love the light glow. You can make it brighter if you want to use it as a night light. And I also love this sleep mode with a variety of different sounds. Listen to this. It also comes with this really neat remote. You can do everything that you need to do from the remote. You can put it on Bluetooth. You can adjust the light any color that you want. It has so many different colors and options for lighting. It's fantastic. Any mood that you're in, you could find a light to fit it. Another cool feature about the lighting is you can simply tap the top of the light a number of different times and it's programmed to do different things. So I tapped it 4 times and it alternates different lighting. It also has a super clear Bluetooth speaker. Listen to this. So if you're looking for a multifunctional alarm clock that is also a night light and a white noise machine and a Bluetooth speaker and all the other amazing things that it does, check this out. That's just my point of view.